Now here's a simple series circuit. This one should be pretty. This one should be. Oh, what they did was they changed it. They want to find out the voltage here. The question is the voltage. Now to figure out the voltage in this one, we have to do what?
Impedance and resistance. First, we add all the resistance.
Right. Right. 4 plus 2 plus 8 equals what?
14.
14 ohms. And what was the reason that we added up the resistors instead of doing R1 times R2?
Because they're in series.
Exactly, because they're in series. In a series circuit, you just add them up. In a parallel circuit, you got to do other stuff. So our total resistance is 14 ohms. So now that means we follow the Ohm's law. We follow the Ohm's law formula, which is this. We follow Ohm's law formula. My voltage here is what?
28.
28. Now I'm gonna give you an easy one. Okay, I want somebody else to answer excluding Robert, Ricky, Mario, and Garcia. Because this is on the test. This should be easy. If y'all can figure out those hard ones, the test one should be pretty easy. And this is on the test. All right, these meters are hooked up in parallel. Okay. I want to do a voltage drop across each individual resistor. What is the voltage drop on? Let's say this is R1, R2, and R3. So the first thing you gotta understand one rule, right? Anybody can answer this one. What's the rule with amperage in a series circuit? This one right here. What's the rule with the amperage in a series circuit? Anybody can answer that.
Amperage stays the same?
Exactly. Who was it, Eric?
Yeah, that's Eric.
Yes, Eric. Thank you. That was amperage stays the same. Exactly. That means there's 2 amps flowing. Oops. There's 2 amps flowing to each resistor, back to ground. So with that known fact, and knowing this formula, we can figure out now the voltage.
R1 would be 8 volts.
Very good, 8 volts. How you get that, Eric?
You multiply the amperage times the resistance.
Exactly. And gave him 8 volts. Exactly. How about the next one? What you gonna next one?
4 volts.
4 volts. Exactly. And the last one?
16 volts.
16.
And the sum is equal to the source voltage.
Equal to the source voltage. Everybody understand that? Anybody have any questions on that? What was the sum before? What did we have before?
28 volts.
28 volts.